Understanding, lay down a run, in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, lay down a run. This phrase can be a bit tricky for English learners, so we're here to break it down for you. Stay tuned to master this expression. Lay down a run is an idiomatic expression in English. It's not about physical running or lying down. Instead, this phrase is often used in two main contexts: sports and work. In sports, especially in card games, it means to play a sequence of cards. In a work context, it refers to performing a task efficiently and in a streamlined manner. Understanding the context is key to grasping its meaning. Let's look at some examples to clarify. 1. Card games. John managed to lay down a run of hearts, winning the game. Here, it means putting down a sequential set of cards. 2. Work environment. The team laid down a run of successful projects this quarter. This implies the team completed a series of tasks effectively. These examples show how the phrase can change meaning based on the situation. When using lay down a run, remember, it's not literal. Avoid thinking of physical running or lying down. Context matters. The meaning shifts depending on whether you're talking about games, work, or another scenario. Don't confuse it with similar expressions like lay down the law or run down the clock. Try creating your own sentences using lay down a run. Think about different scenarios, perhaps in a hobby, sport, or work situation, and see how you can apply this phrase. Practice will help cement your understanding. Great job today! We hope this explanation of lay down a run has been helpful and made this English phrase clearer for you. Remember, language learning is all about discovery and practice. Keep experimenting with new phrases and expressions. Until next time, happy learning!